Willkommen! I'm so excited to be taking you on a journey today to a land of cobblestone streets, towering castles, and enchanting forests. That's right, we're headed to Germany. But this isn't your typical German adventure. Today, we're taking you on a journey to uncover some of Germany's best-kept secrets. Germany is a country rich in history and culture, with vibrant cities and charming villages. But beyond the bustling hubs of Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt lies a treasure trove of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. Let's dive into some hidden gems in Germany that you need to visit. Our first stop takes us to Quedlinburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled in the Harz Mountains. A charming town in Saxony-Anhalt known for its well-preserved medieval architecture. The buildings themselves seem to whisper tales of centuries past, their timber-framed facades leaning in to share their secrets. Imagine strolling down narrow, winding lanes, the scent of freshly baked bread wafting from traditional bakeries. With over 1,300 half-timbered houses, Quedlinburg offers a fairy tale-like atmosphere. The buildings themselves seem to whisper tales of centuries past, their timber-framed facades leaning in to share their secrets. It's a town best experienced by getting lost in its maze-like streets, discovering hidden courtyards and quaint cafes tucked away like precious gems. Standing tall as a symbol of faith and history, the St. Servatius Church in Quedlinburg is a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture that captivates visitors with its grandeur and spiritual significance. This sacred site, dating back to the 10th century, is a testament to the town's religious heritage and architectural prowess. This ancient church houses a collection of priceless treasures, including the famed Quedlinburg Gospels, a stunning example of medieval manuscript art. Step inside and be awestruck by the intricate carvings and the sheer sense of history that permeates every stone. This church isn't just a place of worship, it's a living testament to the architectural prowess of a bygone era. And for the best views in town, make your way up to the Castle Hill. Perched majestically atop a hill overlooking the town, Quedlinburg Castle stands as a timeless symbol of power, history, and architectural splendor. This imposing fortress, with its medieval towers and walls, offers visitors a glimpse into the past and a panoramic view of the picturesque surroundings. Every year, Quedlinburg hosts a magical Christmas market that draws visitors from near and far. This festive tradition dates back centuries and features charming stalls selling handmade crafts, delicious treats, and mulled wine, creating a truly enchanting atmosphere. As you wander through the marketplace, be sure to pick up a bag of Quedlinburger mustard, a local specialty made with a secret blend of spices. This isn't your average condiment. It's a flavor explosion that will have you wanting to put it on everything. Take your time in Quedlinburg, soak in the atmosphere, savor the local cuisine, and let the town's unique charm wash over you. You won't regret it. Next, we journey to Bamberg, a city often referred to as the Venice of Germany. And trust me, it's easy to see why. Bamberg is sprawled across 7 hills, its picturesque canals crisscrossing the old town, spanned by charming bridges adorned with flowers. One of Bamberg's most iconic sites is the Altes Rathaus, or Old Town Hall, precariously perched on an island in the middle of the Regnitz River. Built in the 14th century, the Old Town Hall is a stunning example of half-timbered architecture, with its colorful facade and intricate carvings that reflect the town's medieval charm. Legend has it that Bamberg horseman, a mysterious figure depicted on the building's exterior. According to local law, the horseman is said to come to life and ride through the streets of Bamberg during times of crisis, protecting the town and its inhabitants. This captivating legend adds an air of mystery and intrigue to the already enchanting Old Town Hall. But Bamberg's beauty goes beyond its canals and bridges. The city boasts a rich brewing tradition, with numerous breweries producing a unique style of beer known as Rauchbier, or smoked beer. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't your average barbecue-flavored brew. Rauchbier gets its distinctive smoky aroma from malt that's been dried over an open beechwood fire, resulting in a surprisingly smooth and flavorful beer. For a truly immersive experience, visit one of Bamberg's historic breweries and sample the local brews in their traditional beer gardens. You'll be surrounded by locals, sipping on their favorite beers and enjoying the lively atmosphere. As you explore Bamberg, be sure to visit the Altenburg Castle, a historic fortress perched on a hill overlooking the charming town of Bamberg. Originally built in the 11th century, Altenburg Castle played a crucial role in Bamberg's history, serving as a residence for the bishops of Bamberg and later as a military stronghold. The castle is divided into several sections, each with its own unique purpose. The main keep offers panoramic views of Bamberg and the surrounding countryside, while the inner courtyard features well-preserved Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Visitors can also explore the castle's chapel, where intricate frescoes and stained glass windows tell stories of the past. Our next destination takes us to Görlitz, a city that feels frozen in time. Located in the easternmost part of Germany, Görlitz boasts a rich tapestry of culture, architecture and history. Görlitz is a unique blend of old-world charm and modern entertainment, offering visitors a glimpse into the past while also providing a vibrant and lively atmosphere. From its well-preserved medieval architecture to its bustling market squares, Görlitz has something for everyone to enjoy. Located in the easternmost part of Germany, Görlitz is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. As you wander through the cobblestone streets of Görlitz's old town, you'll be greeted by a stunning tapestry of architectural styles. Over 4,000 listed buildings spanning from Gothic to Renaissance, Baroque to Art Nouveau line the streets, each telling a story of the city's rich past. It's like stepping onto a movie set, but this is no Hollywood facade. This is the real deal. One of the best ways to experience Görlitz is simply to get lost in its maze of alleyways and courtyards. You never know what hidden gem you might stumble upon. A quaint cafe tucked away in a secluded square, a secret garden bursting with colorful blooms, or a stunning view of the Neisse River, which forms the border between Germany and Poland. Be sure to visit the Görlitz Holy Grave, a replica of the tomb of Jesus in Jerusalem. Built in the 16th century, it's a fascinating example of religious architecture and a testament to the city's importance as a pilgrimage site in the Middle Ages. Did you know that Görlitz has been a popular filming location for Hollywood movies, including the visually stunning The Grand Budapest Hotel? The town's picturesque streets and well-preserved architecture have served as the backdrop for numerous films, adding a touch of glamour to its historic charm. Görlitz is a city that rewards those who take their time to explore. So slow down, savor the atmosphere, and discover the hidden stories waiting to be told in this architectural gem. Our journey now leads us to Monschau, a picture-perfect town nestled in the heart of the Eifel National Park, where half-timbered houses lean over cobblestone streets and the sound of rushing water fills the air. That's Monschau. As you arrive in Monschau, you'll immediately be struck by its fairy-tale charm. The town is situated in a valley, with the Ruhr River winding its way through the center. The Monschau Christmas market is a festive wonderland that captures the spirit of the holiday season. Set against the backdrop of the town's historic architecture, this market exudes a cozy and traditional charm. Visitors can stroll through the stalls adorned with twinkling lights, offering a variety of handcrafted gifts, local delicacies, and mulled wine. The Rotshaus Museum, or Red House Museum, is a historical treasure nestled in the heart of Monschau. This beautifully preserved half-timbered building dates back to the 18th century and offers visitors a glimpse into the town's rich past. Here, you can learn about the town's history as a center for cloth production and admire the opulent interiors that reflect the wealth of its former residents. But Monschau is more than just a pretty face. The town is also a gateway to the stunning Eifel National Park, a nature lover's paradise. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the park's network of trails, leading you through dense forests, past sparkling lakes, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. Take a leisurely stroll along the riverbank, crossing over historic bridges and admiring the colorful houses that line the water's edge. After a day of exploring, treat yourself to a slice of Monschauer Senftorte, a local mustard cake. Don't be put off by the name. This sweet and savory treat is a local delicacy and a must-try when in Monschau. Our final stop takes us to Meersburg, a charming town perched on the shores of Lake Constance. Imagine yourself strolling along the lakeside promenade, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of fresh water and blooming flowers. As you gaze out at the sparkling waters of the lake, you'll understand why Meersburg is considered one of Germany's most romantic destinations. Meersburg Castle, the oldest inhabited castle in Germany, dating back over 1,000 years. This medieval fortress stands as a testament to Meersburg's storied past, with its imposing walls, towers and courtyards offering a glimpse into the town's medieval heritage. Visitors can explore the castle's interior, including its historic rooms, armory and panoramic viewpoints that provide breathtaking vistas of Lake Constance. Uncover intriguing historical anecdotes and legends associated with Meersburg, such as the tale of the White Lady of Meersburg Castle, a ghostly figure said to roam the castle grounds. These captivating stories add a touch of mystery and intrigue to the town's already enchanting atmosphere. Meersburg Therme is a tranquil oasis of relaxation and rejuvenation. Nestled amidst the serene surroundings of Meersburg, the Therme provides a sanctuary for visitors to unwind and recharge. The Meersburg Therme has a rich history dating back to ancient Roman times, when its healing waters were revered for their therapeutic properties. Today, it stands as a modern wellness oasis, including thermal pools, saunas, and wellness treatments that promise to soothe both body and mind. Embark on a virtual journey through the enchanting Meersburg vineyards, where centuries-old winemaking traditions meet breathtaking natural beauty. The vineyards in Meersburg have a storied history, with winemaking dating back to medieval times, making it a region steeped in viticultural significance. Explore the lush vineyards that are home to a variety of grape varieties, including the renowned Müller-Thurgau, Pinot Noir, and Riesling grapes. Each grape variety thrives in the unique terroir of Meersburg, resulting in wines that are as diverse as they are delicious. So there you have it, 5 hidden gems in Germany that are sure to capture your heart. From the winding streets of Quedlinburg to the picturesque canals of Bamberg, from the architectural wonders of Görlitz to the fairy tale charm of Monschau and the lakeside beauty of Meersburg, Germany offers a wealth of experiences beyond the beaten path. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations on a list. It's about slowing down, savoring the moment, and connecting with the people and places that make each destination unique. Together, we'll wander through the most amazing places on Earth, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.